It is question number 17. From a point on the horizontal plane, the tangent of the angle of elevation of the top of a minar is 5/3. On moving 32 meter towards the foot of the minar, the tangent of the angle of elevation of the top becomes 5/2. Find the height of the minar. Let AB is minar and two point on the horizontal, it is 90 degree, AB is perpendicular. 2 points on the horizontal plane, let it is C and D, from which the tangent of the angle of elevation from first point is 5/3. Point D, it is 5/3. Let it is theta 1, and when we move 32 meter towards the tower, 32 meter towards the tower, the angle of elevation becomes theta 2, and the value tangent of this angle is 5/2. Now we have to find the height of the minar. Let height of the minar is small h, it is x, and there are two right angle triangles. First is ABC and second is ABD. Let AB is the minar and theta 1 comma theta 2 are angle of elevation from point D and C respectively. Theta 1 and theta 2 are the angle of elevation from the top, from point D and C to the top of the tower. Now in triangle ABC, we have tan theta 2 such that tan theta 1 is first point 5/3. The tangent of this angle is 5/3, and the tangent of another angle is tan theta 2 is 5/2. It is given. Tan theta 1 and tan theta 2 is given. Now from first triangle ABC, tan theta 2 is AB by BC. We know the value of tan theta by 2, which is 5/2. Then 5/2 equal h by x, and we have the value of x in terms of h, means 2h by 5. It is our first equation. Now in triangle ABD, tan theta 1 equal perpendicular upon base. Tan theta 1, value of tan theta 1 is given, which is 5/3, and AB is h, value of BD is 32 plus x, because BD is obtained by adding DC and CB. The value of DC is 32 and CB is x. Now cross multiply, we have 160 plus 5x, 3h. Put the value of x, we have 5 into value of x is 2h by 5 equal 3h. 5 cancel out, we have 160 equal 3h minus 2h, then h equal 160 meter, and it is answer.